The Cleveland Bari Eco is targeted towards the assistive treatment for bariatric patients who have existing and potentially severe pressure damage, and for those patients considered to be at very high risk. We designed this product for those patients at high risk in an acute setting. However, the product is well adapted for use in long-term care, whether a hospital or home care setting. The product is available with a toughened base and securing straps and is made with pulse welded, vapour-permeable, waterproof material. This allows a high moisture vapour transfer rate, thus maximising the airflow to patient's skin, keeping skin dry and reducing susceptibility to tissue damage. This complies with even the strictest of infection control protocols. Upon installation, it is always important to ensure that the securing straps are attached to the moving parts of the bed. The moving parts are indicated, such as the knee break and the backrest. As you can see here, the strap from the bottom of the mattress is secured through the moving parts of the bed frame. Never secure the straps to the outer edges of a non-moving bed. The 200mm high cells cyclically inflate and deflate in an alternating pattern, providing direct pressure relief throughout the dynamic process. The Cleveland Bari Eco can be used for patients with a weight of up to 47 stone or 300 kilograms. The mattress dimensions are 200 by 120 by 20 centimetres deep, and the product is easy to move or transfer, weighing under 10 kilograms. We will now look at the dynamics of the mattress. As you can see, part of the cover has been removed for the purpose of this training video. The Cleveland Bari Eco is constructed of a layer of 14 cm by 20 cm deep cells. Cell construction consists of 3 static head cells with the 17 remaining cells that alternate during the cycle. The product can operate in 4 different alternating cycles. These consist of 6, 9, 12 and 25 minutes. Please see the user guide for alternating patterns of each cycle. Upon installation, an engineer will turn the system on, leaving it to inflate by connecting it to the power switch. However, usually the engineer will use a rapid inflator, bringing the cells up to full capacity in seconds. The Cleveland Bari Eco operates with a digital pump. Plug in the pump at the power socket and switch the pump on with the switch control on the left-hand side of the pump. The pump will automatically inflate, offering pressure into the cells. To set the pump to operate with the patient's weight, we first need to unlock the pump. When the pump is unlocked, the green LED light above the panel lock button is illuminated. To unlock the pump, hold down the panel lock button for 3 seconds. The pump will sound a short beep and the LED green light will go off once the pump is unlocked. This opens the operation panel to adjust the pump to your required settings. To increase the weight capacity of the mattress, use the arrow up button. Pressing this button once will increase the pressure in increments of 5 kilograms. To reduce the weight capacity of the mattress, press the arrow button down. Again, this will reduce in increments of 5 kilograms. The pump is designed to offer ultra-low pressure delivery for heavy or bariatric individuals. If the pressure is too firm or insufficient for the patient, the clinician at any time can override the system by using the up and down arrow buttons accordingly. Pressing the auto firm button on the pump's control panel will stop alternation cycle and both sets of cells will remain fully inflated. When the auto firm button is actioned, you will see the auto firm LED light illuminated. Static mode allows clinical procedures, site transfers or any other procedure to occur. If the static mode has been selected as a safety function, the system will revert back to the alternating cycle after 30 minutes. It is better to manually revert to the alternating cycle once procedures are complete, but the automatic function is there as an additional feature. Simply press the auto firm button again once the panel is unlocked to switch off the static mode. The pump has a pressure sensor. When normal pressure is being monitored by the pump, the normal pressure light illuminates green. When pressure in the mattress is too low, the low pressure light will illuminate red, prompting the clinician or carer to adjust the pump accordingly. Now we can have a look at the dynamics in more detail. As you can see, the patient currently using the Cleveland Bari Eco is in the supine position. You can also see that every other cell is deflated. As I place my hand between the body and deflated cells, we can feel and see that there is sufficient clearance, providing the patient with relief. The rapid cell deflation system is unique as pressure relief happens much quicker than on a standard dynamic mattress system, offering immediate relief. The Cleveland Bari Eco has a second and third layer of static cells which prevent any bottoming onto the bed frame. The second and third layer of cells are always inflated, giving the patient the comfort and support they require. The red tag labelled CPR is located behind the third cell. A swift pull is required to achieve deflation. The system will deflate rapidly in a matter of seconds. CPR can then commence. If the system has a power cut or power is removed from the system, an alarm will sound to indicate that there is a problem. Pressing the alarm reset button will silence the pump while investigations are taking place. If the pump has a kettle lead, it could simply be that the cable has become detached and needs plugging in. It could also be that the plug has come out of the socket and needs plugging back in. In all cases, the first check should be that the power is connected and is also switched on, both on the pump panel and at the main switch. If the system is depressed as low as 6 mm of mercury for a period of 6 minutes, the alarm will sound. If during the course of all troubleshooting effects you still can't identify the problem, it is important to ensure that the CPR is fully hung and connected. It is also important to ensuring that the tubing cell is not kinked. The tubing is located on the side of the mattress where it delivers air to the cells. The tubes will be secured to the mattress by small cable ties to ensure that they do not detach. There is also a small spring at the head of the mattress where the tubing folds back on itself. This spring ensures that the tubing does not kink. Regular cleaning of the mattress is required, and we provide cleaning instructions in the user manuals. Copies can also be supplied on request. Maintenance and repair work should only be carried out by an appointed engineer who has been trained by Herida Healthcare. Only original manufacturer parts should be used in any repairs, as failure could affect the warranty. In all instances, with any pressure relieving products, always ensure that you seek clinical guidance and use the product in accordance with manufacturer instructions. Thank you for watching. For further information, please contact our free phone number at the end of this video or log on to our website at heridahealthcare.co.uk.